I'm with WorldWarSupply.com, and today we're going to show you how to load and fire the Model 1889 Italian Ordnance Revolver. It's also known as the Bodeo Revolver. This was used by the Italians from the late 1800s all the way through World War II. First thing you're going to want to do is open the gate. And what it allows you is to speed the reloading process. If you see, when you pull the trigger, it rotates the cylinder, but the hammer's not engaged. So you'll be able to load it. It takes a 10.35 millimeter cartridge, and so with the loading gate open, you insert one, pull the trigger, it rotates the next cylinder. And you close the loading gate. Fires just like a standard revolver. This is the officer's model, has the handguard. The enlisted man models does not have a handguard. The trigger hangs free. Now that we fired the revolver, we're going to show you how to unload it. Got to pull that rod forward, rotate it out, open up your gate, and then you'll punch the rounds out. One at a time is the goal here, so we're going to see how that works. And you pull the rod back through, pull the trigger, and repeat the process until finished.